To export boundaries out of your JDOps account and load them into your case FieldOps account, we will first start by signing into your JDOps account. Once signed in, we will go to Setup, Land. And once in Land, we will select what we would like to export. Just select everything. Once you have what you want selected, you'll go to Export. Here it'll give you some options if you want to create reports or if you would like to export your boundaries. We'll click Export Boundaries. Ask you which file type you would like. If you want it as a shapefile or ISO XML, we'll leave it as a shapefile. And if you would like all your boundaries under one shapefile or individual shapefiles, I'll leave it as one shapefile. Once you have what you want selected, you'll go to Export Land Data. And say your file is being created, go to Files. Once we're in Files, we will go to Other. Now, it may take some time for JDOps to generate your file to download. Once your file has been generated, check the little box here, go to the top right and click Download. We will download the file, click Download. Once the download has been completed, we can now sign into our FieldOps account. Once signed in, we can go to the top right where it's Send and Receive Files, File Upload. The file type, we will select Boundaries. Now, once you have that selected, you can go to the file in which the boundaries were downloaded to. You can select your file and simply just drag and drop there. Once that's done, you can go to your field column and we will select field_name. That would be the field name of the boundary that it was called in JDOps. And here you can select your account you would like the boundaries to be displayed under. I'll leave that as default grower. And then we will click Process. And once it is done processing, you will get a complete and how many fields have been added to your account. Now you can view your boundaries within your FieldOps account.